How to clone Zangi app. First, open the settings on your device. Tap on the option Apps. Now over here in some of the Android devices, you'll be able to find the option for clone app. Scroll down and find that option. After you do that, tap on it and enable this option for Zangi. Now the clone app for Zangi will be created. If this option is not available for you, open the Play Store. Download the third-party cloning application. Tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar. Search for app cloner. See the results over here. You can find various cloning applications. Tap on the option Clone app. Now you can download this app by tapping on the option Install. Once it is installed, tap on the option Open. Now after you do that, you'll be able to clone various applications. Tap on the plus icon that you can see at bottom. You can see the apps that you can clone over here. Find the application for Zangi and tap on the plus icon right next to it. Now you can name it. Also you can select the icon. Tap on the option clone. Now the clone app for Zangi has been created. You can tap on the Zangi clone app. Now you can see over here Zangi will be opened. Simultaneously, you can also open the real Zangi application. Now you can use the Zangi app in two different platforms. You can see that there are two Zangi applications in my device. One of them is the clone app. So like this, you'll be able to clone Zangi app. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.